Hey, Daniel Char here, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the difference between going directly to the bank versus going to a mortgage broker for your financing needs. Check it out. All right, so a common question I always get asked is, should I go directly to the bank for financing for my mortgage or a broker? And what's the difference? So I just want to make it clear that a bank is traditionally called a financing. They have one specific box, and in that box they want to have income, high income, good credit, and good down payment. All right, so those are the three main components when it comes to financing for a mortgage. And in this box, they want the best of the best. Now, we all know in real life, we have people from many walks of life. Not everybody has excellent income. Some people are self-employed, they make cash, or they recently lost their jobs. We have people that might have gone through separation, have bruised credit, tarnished credit, bad credit altogether, suffer from a bankruptcy. And we also know people that might not have saved enough money for a down payment and they require a gift from family or friends. So sometimes if you don't have all three of the components over here, you would not qualify at traditional bank A financing or A financing through a bank. When you go to a broker, the broker deals with not only bank financing, which is A financing, they also work with B financing and C financing. So they can take all people of all walks of life with different income situations, different credit situations, down payment situations, and fit them in the appropriate boxes. They can work with the banks, credit unions, trust companies, private lenders, institutional private lenders, it doesn't matter. So when you work with a broker, you're looking for a one-stop shop to see where you fit. And that's the first priority when it comes to financing. Finding out which box you fit in. Do you fit in the C box, the B box, and the A box? And if you do fit in the C or B, how do you get to the A? Because A financing is traditionally the most lowest cost financing, and that's where everybody wants to fit. But not everybody does fit there. So the goal is bring a client through the C to the B to the A. Just as a recap, when you go directly to the bank, you're limited to only one source of financing, that is traditional A financing. When you go to a broker, you have sources of A, B, and C. Another common question I always get asked is, why should I go to a broker if the broker is taking me to an A lender? Why should I just go direct? Well, the answer is simple. Banks are governed by hours. They're usually open from 9:30 to 4 p.m. But you and I know that business is almost 24 hours. So it doesn't matter where in the world you are, what you're doing, if you're talking to a broker, you're guaranteed to have somebody working on your deal after hours, even on weekends and holidays. When applying for a mortgage, notice that you're applying for a long-term commitment. Usually mortgages are 5-year terms amortized over 30 years. So you do want to have somebody there to service you at all times. So just to recap, when you are getting your financing through a bank directly, you're working with an employee of the bank who's selling you their one product. When you're working with a broker, you're working with someone who's totally unbiased and they're going to find you the right solution, whether it's a A, B, or C solution. There you have it, guys. This is the difference between going directly to the bank versus a mortgage broker for your financing needs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. See you guys next time.